to my channel. My name is Sarah, and today I'm going to be doing a current favorites video, but a little differently. So I'm not a huge fan of the normal monthly favorites or yearly favorites where they just kind of show you the product, they tell you why they like it, and then they kind of put it down. I decided to do my current favorites with a twist by doing a current favorite / tutorial with all my favorite products of the moment. And a lot of these are my favorite products just because they work well and have a nice finish. Even though I like to test out a lot of different makeup, I still go back to my favorites all the time because they truly are my favorites. Now, one little side note, so the eyeshadow palette that I am using today is the Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Star. Now, it is my current favorite palette to go out with. So if I go out to dinner or I go out anywhere that's not work, I am usually wearing this palette on my eyes. But I wanted to make an honorable mention to the palette that gets me through my everyday life, which is the 39N by Morphe. This is the palette I use every single day for work. That row of neutrals right there, yeah, this row right here, this is the work week eyeshadows. And it makes my life a lot easier just having this big palette of just neutrals and fun pops of color for when I'm feeling a little daring at work. If you guys want to see my current favorites in makeup tutorial form, just keep watching. I hope you guys liked the makeup tutorial portion of this video. I thought I would mention some of my current non-beauty favorites. So first will be my current favorite TV show, which is House. My fiance and I are currently watching it on Amazon Prime every night before we go to bed, and I literally cannot wait to go to bed to watch it. My current favorite movie has to be Bohemian Rhapsody. I watched it with my family and I fell in love with it, and I cannot wait to watch it again. Let's see, my current favorite song right now at the moment has to be Ava Max's Sweet But Psycho, and my current favorite app, so we'll do that because I'm obsessed. So another thing I do when I get ready for bed before we watch House is play my favorite game, which is Best Fiends. Like, I am obsessed. This video isn't sponsored, by the way. I just really can't stop playing. I think I'm on level like 405. Yeah, I play a lot. I don't know, I just really like playing it. My current favorite drink is this. It is gone. It is the apple cider vinegar all natural drink in apple cinnamon flavor. I drink these at work with my general manager, and I adore these. She's the one that turned me on to them, and they are the best. And then another thing I eat at work, and then I also kind of fell in love with while snacking at work, is these Vegan Rob Beet Puffs. These are so good. They kind of remind me of like cheese puffs, but they're beet flavored. Like when you put them in before you put them in your mouth, you're like, these are gonna taste a lot like cheese doodles, but then they taste like beets, and they're so good. No way, shape, or form am I vegan, but I really enjoy these a lot just because they are so much better for you than cheese puffs or cheese doodles or Doritos or chips. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button and maybe hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content from me. And if you want to see me on a daily basis, you can open the description box and find my Instagram handle, which is sarah_makeup on Instagram, where I post some pictures and sometimes some videos of my dog, which are always fun. So until next time, see you guys later. Bye!